How to use the Floor Plan Designer. Click the Floor Plan Designer on the product page. If your room is a square or rectangle, you can enter the width and length in feet in the highlighted box. If your room has a unique shape, you can enter the proportions using the wall dimension in feet. Use the arrows to create the shape of the room. The dimensions will show up in cardinal directions in the wall details. You can see the layout method in square, concave and straight. You can select your main color from the list of options here. Let's go with pink. At the bottom, the color, ID number, and quantity of foam tiles you'll need for your room will be listed. You can also choose a second color to see how it looks. Let's go with navy this time. Remember to click Select to second color. This will now show the color, ID numbers, and quantity that you'll need for both colors to fill your floor. You can also flip the layout degree to get a diagonal checkerboard shape. Find out how much flooring you need virtually with Greatmats.